and welcome to the Shatkin First Monday Morning Minute.
Good morning, everyone, and welcome to today's Monday Morning Minute. Today I want to talk to you about something that can dramatically increase your implant case acceptance, and that's patient education models. Implant dentistry can be extremely difficult for patients to fully comprehend just by an explanation. When you start talking about implant placement, bone loss, how implants stabilize a loose denture, it can be a lot to process. But when the patient actually sees it and holds a model in their hand, everything changes. Here at Shatkin First, we bundle the patient education models in a set of 3. We give you the lower denture stabilization, the upper denture stabilization, as well as the crown and bridge model. In addition to patient education models, patient education brochures are equally as important because the consultation doesn't end when the patient leaves the office. They will go home and share that brochure with their family members, their spouse, and it continues to reinforce the treatment that you recommend. Here at Shatkin First, we can customize and make you any brochures for your office. We can add your demographics, we can add your office colors, and really cater it to your practice. Especially in mini implant dentistry, these tools are incredibly powerful because many patients have never heard of mini implants before. When you can physically show them how minimally invasive and effective the treatment is, case acceptance will go up significantly. At the end of the day, these are some of the simplest and highest ROI tools you can have in your practice. One additional accepted implant case easily pays for the entire set many times over. If you're not currently using patient education models or patient education brochures in your consultations, I strongly encourage you to do so. Dr. Shatkin doesn't close any implant consultations without using these models. These models help the patient fully understand and ultimately say yes to a treatment that could change their lives. Give us a call today, mention the Monday Morning Minute, and we're going to take off $200 for the set of 3 patient education models for a total of $995. When you purchase these models, you're also going to receive a free, customized patient education brochures for your office designed by our marketing team. Thank you everyone for tuning in to the Monday Morning Minute. We truly appreciate your partnership with Shatkin First. If you have any questions on any marketing materials or patient education models, please give us a call today. We'll see you next week.
And remember about our 2-day advanced mini dental implant certification course on March 19th and 20th. And then there's a 3rd day on March 21st, an advanced problem-solving course hosted by Dr. Thomas Baggett, the president of the International Academy of Mini Dental Implants. This event includes live surgery, hands-on training, advanced treatment planning, clinical troubleshooting, and lectures by mini implant experts. Attend all 3 days as a bundle for only $12.95 and earn up to 24 CE credits. Historically, the March Advanced course is our most popular course, so seats are limited, so call Shatkin First today to reserve your spot.